My name is Selam. I'm just showing and presenting an individual project flow-based scenario. And let me talk about a little bit about Contoso. Which Contoso is a small retail business, has two locations in Minneapolis, and sells a variety of goods. And the problem is like employee of Contoso need an easy way to request time off vacation from work. The current system at Contoso was hard. Uses hard copy to request time off, and there is no way to find the status of the request unless they follow the paper trail from office to office. And the solution is I wanted to change this process from paper to electronic format and also put automated actions based on the status of the form at different levels. The process will also notify them about the status of the request and if approved, and creating event in their calendar. So this is the approval flow. So when form is submitted by any employee, it will trigger email to manager. The email will have time off details and the button to approve object. And the manager click approval button and approve form, open up with action to approve object. After approval, action system will send email to employee with decision, and employee can see his or her own time off request in SharePoint, and employee can see her approved dates in his Outlook calendar. This is the end of the workflow of the process. The same thing is if it's no. So the challenge I encountered in the process of my projects, I'll show you on when we come to the demo. When employee requests a time off, the manager receives the form with a different time zone. Then to fix this, I added a step in the flow to convert it to the appropriate time zone. Future opportunities like create user-friendly apps that create and updates and SharePoint fixed. Demo. Okay, now this is the SharePoint, and we'll come and see on the automate. Okay, for example, I prepare, this is a SharePoint, this is automate, and also there is also I created the manager on private view. We'll see all how it's look like. So I'm trying to create one. For example, is sick leave. Start date. Yeah. So this is the time zone I was encountered when I was doing it, because when I set this time here, but when the manager received on different time zone, but I went and checked on the automate, then I changed the time zone. Okay. Okay, we'll get like this one. I don't know why it didn't come today, but it will come like this. Then when it's approved, there you go. So if it's approved here, with any comment, submit. So it will come here. So when you come here and see on the Outlook email, it's approved here. Yeah, it's approved. And also I can see on the Outlook calendar, it shows that approved. Yeah, so when you come to flow, because I already set the automatic, so I don't come each and every time to set up here. So I've already set up here on what I was sending you. This is a time converted time zone, which I was changing. I was getting trouble here. Going back to the calendar automatically.